As the high-stakes 2026 West Bengal Assembly Election enters a critical phase, the Tripura Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha arrives in the state on Sunday to bolster the BJP campaign. The Chief Minister's day began with a grassroots engagement at booth number 82 in the South Krishnanagar constituency. Accompanied by local party leaders and workers, Dr. Saha listened to the 133rd episode of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's monthly radio program Mann Ki Baat. Bureau Report, Chini, Khorang.